Hey guys, what y'all doing? I figured I'd just jump on here. I ain't been on here in a while, and well, I ain't working, so why not? Rick and Chase went to haul the trash off, so I just figured I'd jump on here a minute and say hi to y'all. If you missed, no, I did not pull my own hair up, Emma did. If you missed the travel kits last night, I'm sorry for the confusion. Just had a miscommunication from corporate to us, and they sold out real fast. So, and I knew they were gonna. So I'm sorry if you didn't get one. They did have them in big bundles with big bottles. I don't know if those are still there. If you want to go and look and see, and you can afford to get one of those big bundles, if they're still there with the travel kit in it, then do so. If not, I don't know if they're going to come available again. I don't know what the plan is. But if you missed out, I'm sorry. No, I didn't get one either. I got to save money or I'm not working. So no, I didn't buy one. I wanted one, but I got to conserve the cash for right now until I go back to work. So that's okay. I'll get one later whenever. But damn it. Hold on. I dropped the bottle. I'm trying to do this with my elbow. Trying to fix my hair while Rick and them's gone. But if you missed out, I'm sorry. And you wanted them, I'm sorry that you didn't get them if you didn't get them. If they come available again at some point, I'll let you know. As soon as I know something. But this thing is hurting me like I don't know what. Like, I did not expect this little bit of surgery was going to hurt this bad. Do y'all know how hard it is to pump something when you can't use your freaking hand? I want you to know it's very difficult. I'm using my cleansing oil. No, I cannot hold the bottle and show it at the same time because, well, you know, I'm down to using one hand. I know y'all are probably out doing stuff, chilling. It's Saturday. I'm not doing anything. We're not doing anything because, well, I can't do anything. Can't go riding on the bike because I can't hold on to him. And the vibration hurts like probably bejesus. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and tell y'all that if you didn't get them, I'm sorry. And they are sold out. So, but like I said, I don't know if the big bundles are still there with them in it. I haven't had a chance to look today. I'm not sure. If you want to go look and you can get one of them, do it. If you can't, that's okay too. It was just a good opportunity. That's why I told you guys. That way you could get the products and try it. You didn't have to spend a lot of money at first. But if you missed out and you still want to try the products, then if you can't get them all at once, don't worry about that. Just get one at a time. You know, start out with a cleanser. If you want, you know, this one is the cheapest of the cleansers if you're on a budget. The Snow Enzyme, it's $25. The cleansing oil is $30. And like I said, if you want to do it like that, put it on. Good morning if you're on here. I'm just yapping while I'm trying to wash my face one-handed. Anyway, if you're on here, say hi. But if you do, you know, if you decide to try it, and you want to order just one product at a time, do it on auto ship. And the reason I say that is you get discount on auto ship, and every order you make on auto ship, every order in general, but every order on with your discount on auto ship, you get reward points that add up that you can use later on, and that you can get extra discounts on top of that when you auto ship. And if you do an auto ship on your third auto ship in a row, if you do them 3 months in a row, you get something free. So that's a plus too. But I mean, y'all see, this is good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is. I've lost my time. Not working is messing with my head because I'm losing days, losing time. This is getting on my nerves. If any of y'all know me, you know me well enough to know I cannot sit on my butt and not do nothing. And Rick yelled at me all day yesterday because I'm not supposed to be doing anything with this hand except for do this. That's it. Literally, that's it. That's all I'm allowed to do. Stretch my fingers and bend my hand. But I was just trying to, I went outside because I was bored and I was trying to do stuff, and I picked up something and put it in between my fingers on this hand to hold it with my fingers. He yelled at me because it's hard for me not to do stuff, and I'm not supposed to use this hand, and it's just habit of using my hand, you know what I mean? It's my right hand, so it's the hand I do every damn thing with, so it's really hard not to use it. I'm trying not to use it, but it's really hard. It's just a habit just to reach for it with my hand. Like, it's so pitiful. I had to go get Kelly to open my cereal this morning. I couldn't even rip the bag open. It is so hard not being able to do nothing. And it's always, and because this is my dominant hand, and I cannot do a lot of stuff with my left hand. I can't. You know, I can do some things, but I can't do a lot of things with my left hand. And it's really annoying. So for all you that you know, veterans or just people in general that have to do this every day, I give you props. I really do. I give it all for you, because I can't do this much longer, and I don't know how you guys do it, but my salute off to you guys that you're strong and can. I mean it. Get it off my fingers right there. Now, using the enzyme cleaner. I've had a couple of people ask me why do we use 2 different cleansers in our Riman ritual. Well, the reason you do that, it's a double cleanse. You should always double cleanse, because, especially if you wear makeup, what people don't understand is you think it's just, no, I didn't get enough, now I gotta get some more out of it. Oh, this is gonna suck. Anyway, you think that you're getting it clean the first time, and you think you're getting it all the way clean the first time, and you're really not. You are getting some of the dirt and some of the makeup off, but you're not 100% cleaning it. So the way this skincare is designed and works is it goes down into your pores beneath your skin and gets the gunk that's down in there, because that's what causes you to have dirt in your pores. That's what causes you to break out and stuff. It's where stuff, it's not just on top of your skin, it gets down in the very top of your pore. It's what gets down way down in there. And if you don't get it out, and most cleaners don't, most cleaners are just topical, which means it just does the top layer and it don't go down in there. These are designed to go down in there and get that out. The oil cleanser cleanses off first, and then the enzyme cleaner dissipates into your skin, like you just seen it dissolve into my skin. And what that is doing is sinking down into your pores under the layers of skin, where all that extra dirt and extra makeup, extra dead skin cells are, and it's pushing it out, cleansing from within out, not just the top of your skin. It's cleaning all of it out. And that's why in the rituals we double cleanse, to make sure that you get not just what's up here, but what's down in here out. And if you use one cleanser, you may get all the dirt out, but double cleansing ensures that you get all the dirt out, if that makes sense. It's just a good idea. Like, I wash my hair twice, because the first time I might not get it all out, you know. Rick and them's back, but he'll be all right. I figured I'd do a live on here. But that's why we double cleanse. So all of you that's asked me or messaged me and asked me what's the big deal in double cleansing, why do we use 2, why do we have to use 2? Well, I don't guess you have to if you don't want to, but you're not going to get the same results if you don't. Double cleansing is just a good idea. It makes you ensure you get it all out. And if you don't have clean skin, it can't heal to be healthy skin. So that's why. It's very important. You know, in their culture, they believe in taking care of their body and their skin from the within out, you know. So it's important to do that. You're ensuring healthy skin. And that's what you want to achieve, is healthy looking skin. You know? Now, where it's summertime, I don't remember if y'all remember, but I told you that this common gel, you could use it for sunburns, and you can. So, crap. It works for regular, had hair on, it works for regular burns too. So, you know, if you get a little burn or whatever, you can put it on it. If you get a sunburn, you can put it in the refrigerator and let it get cold, and then put it on the sunburn. It'll help soothe it, because the common gel has 24 karat gold pieces in it, and gold is an anti-inflammatory, and it helps take all the inflammation down from the sunburn or any burn you have. You can use it as, it's very hydrating, and it hydrates up to 72 hours at a time. It's not a thick gel. It's not gonna break you out. I have super sensitive skin. If you're new to my page, I have very sensitive skin, and everything breaks me out. And none of the skincare has so far, so it's made for all skin types. And you know, it's just like any other skincare or makeup. You know, if you change, you know, your skin might purge for a little while, you know, a week or so, as your, you know, skin's getting used to the new stuff, adjusting to it. So you do have the possibility of just breaking out a little. I haven't had that happen to me, but it is a possibility. Now, I gotta open this with my arm because I can't do it with my hand. You know, hold on a minute. I gotta take the little seal off. And I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Turn my arm, I guess, and just let it roll out. Come on out there. That's about all you need. And see how it's yellow? Ow. It has gold in it. That's why it's the color it is. See? I don't know if you can see it, but there's little bitty pieces of gold in there. And it's all in there. And it's just, they dissolve into your skin, so you can't really feel them or see them, you know. They're just in there. And it's just a thin, very hydrating gel. It feels really good. I love this stuff. I use it every day. Every single day. I love this common gel. Like I say, if you get an irritation anywhere, you get a sunburn, you get a, you know, a light little burn, you can put it on it and it'll soothe it. It's really good in the refrigerator in the summertime for sunburns. And it works really good. And there's nothing in it that'll cause it to burn or anything like that. It's all natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about that. It just makes my skin feel so hydrated. Rick's probably wondering who I'm in here talking to. Hello, I'm doing a live.
Oh, okay.
I haven't talked to him in a while. Figured to do it while I was washing my face. Rick's in there jamming a Metallica if you couldn't hear it. That's why I got the door shut. I hate to tell him when I come out of there, he's going to turn it down. We ain't having no headache today. We got enough pain. We don't need no extra. Now let's see if I can get this. I sprayed everywhere last night but my face with this shit. Saying I done it again. It's hard to aim it with my left hand and push it at the same time. But I don't have the strength in my left hand that I have in my right, or the ability in my left as I do in my right. But I had no idea that this carpal tunnel, which he did my carpal tunnel and he cut out a cyst as well. So I've got 2 incisions, 2 areas he worked in. I had no idea it was going to hurt like this. Because, you know, I figured a little B cut, little B incision, you know. Because I've had 2 C-sections. I thought, well, hell, they ain't going to be nowhere near that shit. I was wrong. Damn C-section hurt less than this, and I'm not joking. And I really had no idea it was going to hurt like that. Because you don't realize you use your hand muscles for everything. Even when you stretch. Like, I can't even stretch. It pulls that in my hand. I can't do it. It hurts. You'd be surprised at what you use when it hurts. That was the booster. If it don't go all the way in when you dry it, You don't have to dry it like that. You can just let it soak in, but I usually do it just to get through it. And then you do the serum. This is the hard part, opening the bottles. Real crap. I can get it open without dropping it. And I just put 2 little drops on my cheeks, and that's enough to do your entire face and your neck. You don't need to do any more than that, because it spreads really well. And this is very hydrating. It's all very hydrating. This has the nano liposomes in it, so does the active cream. The calming gel does not have the nano liposomes technology in it, but this does. The active cream, the booster, the cleansers. And what that does is just the technology, that the way it's made, that it goes down into your layers, and it regenerates your cell that's down in there. It makes your collagen in your face work. That's what keeps your skin looking, you know, even and tight and younger and healthy, you know, is the collagen. Trying to get it around my nose ring. My nose ring is peeling around my nose ring. I don't know why, but it does it. I need to go change it. Anyway. And then after you do the serum and it sinks in, just spray yourself with the booster again. Now when I wash my face tonight, I'll do a collagen mask with y'all. I'll show you them again. I haven't done one in a while. And I do have some extra ones, if you want to buy one. They're not. Oh, it's cheap. I'll sell it to you at a decent price if you want one. Okay. Let's see if that's all I was going to tell you. There's something else I was going to tell you. Makeup. If you need makeup, Celeste D just launched a new palette. It's a contour and conceal palette. It has contour creams and conceal creams in different colors in it. You can get the one that's for light skinned or fair skin, and then they have one for darker skin. It's got like 5 or 6, 7 different colors in there. You can do your whole face with it. That launched Monday. I think Monday. Today's the 13th, right? I think. Yeah. So, what's the day? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday, they're launching new gel liners, eyeliners. And they are supposed to be able to stay on your eye for 24 hours without you redoing it. It's going to come in 3 different colors. Those, I don't know how much they're going to be. I haven't seen that yet, but they're launching on Tuesday, and I'm going to try to get some of them because that'd be cool. Get eyeliner you ain't got to do but once every 24 hours. But anyway, that's launching Tuesday. And I think that's all right now that's going on, I think. But like I said, if you didn't get a travel kit, I'm sorry. I don't know if the big bundles are still in there. If you want to go look and you can get a big bundle, it's got them in it, then do so. If you can't, that's okay. I don't know when they're going to come back out. If they're going to come back out, I don't know. I assume it's going to be like the collagen mask. It's just going to be an every now and then thing, unless they change their mind. As soon as I know something, I'll let you guys know if you missed out and you wanted them. I don't know what else to tell you other than that. That's the only way I know to get them. If I find out they're extending them or they're doing anything else, I'll let you know. But I'm going to jump off here, brush my teeth, and go sit my butt down because I ain't got nothing else to freaking do. So, if any of y'all are bored and you want to talk, just message me because I'm bored too, okay? Y'all have a good day. Bye.